This adds on to a video that I already did on darts. Okay, 1 to 9 plus 10 equals 55. Half of the center and half of the numbers on the average count. Okay, divide 75, which is the red, and the green center of 50 and 25 equaling to 75 in two parts. 1 to 10 equals 55. 1 to 20 equals 210. 11 to 20 equals 155. 55, 155. Electric company, the gun. Okay, 92.5. Okay, that's the middle of the newborn, number 9. 9 and 2 is the Christ that I just did, Jesus Christ. 192 is the Spirit of Jesus Christ. Again, the bullhorns, Jesus Christ with the bullhorns. You know why? Because that's what they did to him. They replicated inside of them what they can control. Okay? You're still coming from an outside source, but it's replicated something they did inside of him down in their science labs over 2,000 years ago. Can you imagine 2,000 years ago down by the science lab? You don't believe me? Transmission of the second world. Sun, una, one sun. Okay? One sun. Spirit angel on the cross right here. She is the one son of the spirit angel. This is talking about a female, not a male. Okay, I don't know why, but when you see a capital and it's a capital L at the beginning, it makes it who you are. And you are a female and you're not a male in this instance. Okay, K is also the same thing. Although this is a 3 and this is a 2, 2 and 3 connect. Catlonus. Okay, to put together, to weld one. Why weld one? Because in K, you get the cherries and you get 2 cherries. The plateau. Here's your plateau. This is your 5. Here's your 4 corners. Here's your in-between space. 1, 2, 3 areas. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 3, 3. This is your area space. This is 4 and 6, playing at 3 and 7, creation of the gateway. This here is playing between 2 and 8. Time heaven. The beta world, the secondary world that breaks between the two sides. Okay? There's 4, 8, 12, 16 turtles, 16 lines. 16 times 1.25 equals 24 hours. pH and X. There's only 3 that aren't duplicated, here and here. But this one will duplicate into this line. This one will duplicate into this line. This is the fixed bar that goes from here to here. 1, 5, and 9. 4, 5, and 6 in low shoe. 3, 3, 3, and 3. 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 3 and 1. 4 by 3 is 12, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So it's 12 plus 4 equals your DC power. Okay? Inside of darts at the same time, 75 points goes to 210, equaling to 285. Okay? 2, 8, and 5. 2, 5, and 8. 2 on your telephone, 5 and 8. 2, 5, and 8. The center square over here is number 5. See this number 5? That's not what I'm showing you. You see this 5? All of these are number 5s. This is all the 5 family. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Actually, it's 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. All owned by the 5 family. All of these have 9 area spaces. This is the 5 family. It's one whole. It's the red dart. It's the red nose in the dartboard. Because that red nose in the dartboard, which is 50, turns around to 25, which turns around to 210. 50 turns around 125, becomes 125, and that's the memory we had. This is the Christ over here, the birth of the beta world. Energy, that's the Christ over here. Okay? So this one, I want to get back to this because I didn't. If we divide 75 by 210 for the value, it becomes 2.8. Time heaven. Time heaven. This, 2 and 8, time heaven, the extension of Venus and Neptune. Okay? All this is number 5. The total of one face is number 5. There's 6 5s in this. This is your creation 30. But on each one is a 9 value because there's 9 dots. 30 times 9 is 270. The 270th day is the 26th of September this year. The 274th, the 27th, I think, of this year. 27th, the 270th day. Sorry, the 270th day. The 277th is October 4th. So that would mean the 27th. 927 is 36. Okay? So this becomes 2.8 time heaven point. Automatically says the center of 5 becomes 258 again. 258 just straight down the center. This year in the Hebrew New Year. And October 4th, 164 is the number. You have the world in the 7 world, the 7 world, the 7 world, the 7 world equals 28. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 equals 28. 16, 64. A little bit of gin. 16, 64, 256. 1/2 of memory. You see this? This, okay, is this. This is the totality of this, because when the red one turns, okay, when the red one turns in the center of the darts, that's 50. There's your 50. Your 10 for each one. 1 to 10, 11 to 20. 21 to 30. 31 to 40. 41 to 50. 50 is the half, where the new beginning is at 56. Calling of the wolf, 55. At 55, the first connection is 56. So anyways, you get the first 5 up to 50. You have a total of 150, which is the hand of God. When you went up the first 50, you got the 50 stars. You automatically become 56 because the 0 equals 6, making the 7th gateway, which is the white 6 on the flag, with the 7th gateway, the red that encompasses the white on the American flag with the 50 stars. 50 times 47 is 2350. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 6, makes 2356. The 0 becomes 6. The 0 is the last one. Don't forget, you count 1 to 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is like 1. But in this world, it needs a spirit to live. 1 to 5 equals to 15. But every other number that after 1 to 5 will have 25 value effect. When you count 1 to 5, it equals to 15. But when you count 6 to 10, it equals to 40. 11 to 15 equals to 65. 16 to 20 equals to 90. Wow, that's something I forgot. 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. That would be a 36 and a 36 and an 18, 72. There you go. There's your other 90. You know where your first 90 is? Your first 90 is in 9, 18, 27, 36. There's your other 90. And don't forget, once you begin, right, on 8, you're in between 8, which is in the A family, and you're in between A, which is in the A family. In fact, the first 2 letters are ACHE, or ACH, or the arch. The arch, the H, because the angel resident who holds his arch is, voila, who you are. What else did we have in the dartboard? Again, we have 4 that are halves. The only reason this is 20 over here, because the center, to make up the center, it's this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. It's the in-between of the 4 of them, make them 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, and himself 20. We are in the 20 world, 10 and 10, which these 2 come together and we make another circle in between. Make another circle. I'm not sure which side you put the circle on. And then the circles become like this. And we encompass the other world within this world. Raphael 7286 and the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you very much for watching.